So guys, this unit is actually freezing on the charge line. So as you can see, it's freezing. So I'll be checking where the leakage is. I've already seen where the leakage is on the coupling. So this system now is using R410. So here is my cylinder. This is the gas that I'm going to use. That's it. So let's see the gauge. So take a good look at the gauge level. So this is the gauge level now that is here. So it's supposed to be at 120 psi, which is this dot, because if you exit this place it will be 125 psi, but at least let your gauge be somewhere here, this spot you're seeing here. So I'll be pumping down the system. So let's pump down. You will see when it will be returning. So you can see how the gauge is moving. This is the gauge moving. Once it gets to 0, it has successfully pumped down. So now we can lock the suction line now. So you can see. Let's lock the suction line. You put your link key here and lock it. Then after you'll be going inside to turn it off. Then you can go ahead on the maintenance. So let's go to the indoor unit now. So this is the unit. So let's turn it off.
1218507.
Okay, unplug it. So let me show you where the leakage is. So after finding, I noticed that here, let me brighten the light. So here is having a leak here on this line. So it's having a leak because if you look, you see that this thread tape now is oil sign is here. So I'll be fixing it and I'll be replacing the gas. So if today is the first time you're coming across my page, do well to follow, like and share the video. Thank you. So see you on my next video when I'll be charging the system with gas.